So, Raxiom's smoked vector tail lights with white diffusers are a very cool take on the Mustang's original tri-bar taillights. I personally think that these are the coolest taillights that can be put on the modern Mustang, and I have my own pair on my GT. Now, these definitely do pay homage to the 1965 to 1971 era Mustangs, and without putting it any other way, I honestly think that this kind of style is what the S197 should have come with from the factory. Of course, Ford decided to resurrect that retro look everywhere else. Now, install is very easy. These are pre-wired, and all you have to do is swap out a couple of bolts in your trunk. So the install gets a very simple 1 out of 3 wrenches on my patented difficulty meter. Shouldn't take you more than about 30 minutes to get these installed. Now, officially, these are modeled off of the newer S550's taillights, but we went ahead and changed them up a bit. As you can obviously see, the smoked look with white diffusers is a very cool take on that retro design, and I think that these would go particularly well with either a white, gray, or black car. Once they are lit up, however, you will see these smoked red diffusers running through. However, these are still quite bright, and from my experience, they are actually brighter than the original taillights, even though they are smoked. Now, if you did favor the traditional look, keep in mind we do sell these with regular red diffusers, so even when the running lights are not on, they will appear red even still. Now, at $500, I think that these are actually priced rather well. The LEDs in this kit will last for about 100,000 hours, and you are getting that sequential setup out of the box too. Now, there are less expensive options out there, sure, but they are just going to be simple. They're going to be two-dimensional. They're not going to be like these LEDs right here. They might just be factory replacements. And keep in mind, you're not getting that kind of design and quality, never mind the cool looks. Now, other than looks, like I said, these are high quality. They are made out of factory equivalent material. And because those bulbs will last for so long, you'll never really have to worry about swapping them out. It's one less maintenance piece you gotta worry about. And install, again, is a simple plug and play setup, so I'm giving this 1 out of 3 wrenches on the old difficulty meter, and I've talked your ear off. Let's head over to the garage, and I'm gonna show you guys how to get these plugged in using our 11 GT. All right, so we pulled our 11 GT into our garage bay here. I'm gonna show you how to install your Vector tail lights. Like I said, very simple bolt-on job here. All you gotta do is unplug the factory wiring harness and remove a couple of nuts off the factory light studs. So let's pop our trunk and get started. All right, so we've got our trunk open. Before we remove our factory taillights, we have to remove this plastic trim piece here. To do that, you're gonna remove 2 plastic push pins here, one on this side and one on the driver's side. Use a flathead screwdriver, make it easy on you. All right, with those 2 plastic push pins removed, we can pull out our trim piece. That's gonna expose these studs, nuts, and wiring harness on our factory taillights. All right, so now we can start removing our factory taillights. Like I said, there's 3 studs with 3 nuts on them. One here, one down here, and one back here. You have to peel your carpet away. You're gonna need an 11mm socket for that, but before we remove those nuts, we're gonna disconnect the wiring harness for the taillight itself. All right, now we can remove our factory taillights from the vehicle. When you pull them out, be very careful you don't want to scratch or paint, and just keep in mind the threads on the studs can catch on the holes in the body, so you just want to kind of wiggle it around. Lastly, when you pull the wiring harness out, there is a rubber grommet sealing it inside of that hole. Just make sure you push the rubber grommet through as you're pulling the light out of the vehicle. All right, we're gonna go ahead and install our Vector taillights the same way our factory lights came out. Keep in mind, you will be reusing those 11mm nuts that we pulled off originally. So go ahead and line up your 3 studs, fish your wiring harness through, plug in your rubber grommet, and hand tighten down those nuts. All right, so our new Vector taillights installed. We're gonna go ahead and hand tighten these 11mm nuts, tighten them down with our 11mm socket. We're gonna plug back in our wiring harness. All right, now the last step in our install is reinstalling our plastic trim piece with those two plastic push pins. So guys, that wraps up my review and install of Raxiom's Vector smoke taillights with white diffusers, fitting your 2010 to 2012 Mustang. I'm Travis, thanks for watching. For all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.